Did you know that over 80% of businesses are gearing up to integrate AI into their operations by the end of this year? And you might be missing out on the AI tools that could transform your daily life. But with the sheer number of AI apps available, it can be hard to find the ones that truly make a difference. Welcome back to AI Joyful Discoveries. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, where innovation is happening at an unprecedented pace. That's why I'll be walking you through the top cutting-edge AI apps of 2024, highlighting how they're revolutionizing the way we work, create, and even relax. These aren't just futuristic ideas, they're here right now, ready to make an impact. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept, it's actively reshaping our world in real time. From machine learning and natural language processing to computer vision and robotics, AI has expanded into practically every industry. In 2024, we're seeing some truly groundbreaking applications that are not only innovative, but are changing lives in remarkable ways. In this video, we'll take a look at the best AI apps of the year and how they're enhancing productivity, unleashing creativity, and transforming entire industries. So let's explore these AI tools and see which one might be perfect for you. Starting with ChatGPT, a conversational AI powerhouse. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, writing, or even coding, ChatGPT adapts to your needs, providing smart, context-aware responses that make it an essential tool for many professionals and creatives alike. Ever wanted to turn your ideas into visuals? DALL-E is your go-to for creating images from text descriptions. DALL-E 3 is built natively on ChatGPT. Just type a prompt and it generates incredible, unique artwork. Ideal for designers, marketers, or anyone who needs visually engaging content. An old favorite with a powerful AI upgrade. Grammarly goes beyond grammar, offering style suggestions, tone adjustments, and even rephrasing help. It's like having a personal editor that helps you polish your writing. It's available to download at Grammarly.com on your desktop and as a browser extension. You can also get the Grammarly keyboard on your phone or tablet. Notion AI combines note-taking and productivity with smart AI features. From organizing tasks to helping with content creation, Notion AI is a versatile tool that integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Unlike other AI tools that focus only on writing or data management, Notion AI is versatile, functioning well across different types of tasks within one workspace. This makes it especially useful for individuals, small teams, or businesses aiming to streamline workflows without hopping between multiple apps. For those in endless meetings, Otter.ai is a game changer. It transcribes and summarizes meetings in real time, capturing everything so you never miss a key point again. Otter.ai is invaluable for professionals, students, and teams who need accurate and organized meeting notes without manually writing or typing during conversations. It's widely used in business and education for improving accessibility and allowing people to focus on discussions without the distraction of taking notes. For content creators and marketers, Jasper is an AI writing assistant that helps produce marketing copy, blog posts, and more. Jasper's AI-driven suggestions make it easier to create high-quality, engaging content quickly. Jasper AI is particularly beneficial for those looking to streamline content creation without sacrificing quality. It's ideal for time-strapped marketers, bloggers, and businesses needing quick, effective copywriting solutions. With its versatility and tailored approach to different content types, Jasper AI has become a go-to tool for generating written content efficiently and creatively. Want to create professional videos without a camera? Synthesia lets you produce AI-generated videos with lifelike avatars and voices. Perfect for training materials, presentations, and social media content. Synthesia AI is particularly valuable for organizations that need video content regularly but lack the resources for traditional production. See the sample prompts I used in Synthesia AI. The video is generated and coming in email. It's widely used for training, marketing, customer support, and educational content, allowing users to create professional, personalized videos at scale without a full production setup. This makes Synthesia an efficient, cost-effective tool for video-based communication and e-learning. DeepL stands out in the translation world, providing high-quality, accurate translations in multiple languages. It's particularly useful for professionals who need precise translations with natural flow. Its contextual accuracy, combined with customization options, makes it an ideal choice for translating complex or nuanced content. DeepL integrates with various software through its API, enabling businesses to add translation capabilities directly into their applications, websites, or workflows. If you're looking to turn written content into video, LUMEN 5 is the tool. Just input your text, and it generates engaging videos. LUMEN 5 is ideal for quickly creating shareable video content, such as social media posts, promotional videos, and educational materials. Its AI-driven tools simplify the video creation process, making it accessible for people without video production skills. This makes LUMEN 5 a popular choice for marketers and businesses looking to produce consistent, engaging video content at scale. LUMEN 5 automatically creates a storyboard using machine learning to match each scene with relevant media from its library of over 100 million assets. Scene length, text positioning, and keyword highlights are optimized for a polished look. With simple drag-and-drop functionality, your video is ready to share in minutes, generating up to 12 times more engagement on social media than photos and text. Over 200,000 users trust LUMEN 5 to boost their content. Midjourney brings text-to-image generation to the next level, creating visually stunning, artistic images from basic prompts. It's a must-have for artists, designers, and anyone looking to create unique visual content without needing design skills. The platform offers adaptive courses that adjust to each student's needs, making it a powerful tool for students everywhere. Among all these, there's one app that deserves special attention: Runaway AI. It's a comprehensive content creation platform that automates video editing, generates effects, and even creates animations using AI. Imagine the impact on industries like entertainment, marketing, and education, where quick, professional video content is key. Runway AI truly exemplifies the groundbreaking possibilities of AI in content creation. Runway AI is transforming video production, making it more accessible and streamlined for creators. It's widely used in fields like advertising, digital storytelling, and educational media creation, making high-quality video content production scalable and efficient for a wide range of users. And there you have it. These are the cutting-edge AI apps of 2024 that are making waves across various fields. From boosting productivity and enhancing creativity to simplifying daily tasks, these apps are here to make a difference. If you're interested in trying out any of these tools, let me know in the comments which one caught your attention. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next deep dive into AI innovations.